Hi, this is Blessing. Today I'll be showing you how to import data into Origin. Also, how to copy data into Origin to plot. Thank you. There are two ways to import data into Origin. The first is by importing an Excel file, and the second is by copying and paste into Origin. So to start, you have your Origin app open. So it's better to have a new project. So new and then project. So it's going to ask me to save my previous data. I do not need that data, so I'm going to say no. But if you want to reopen that project, please click yes. So now it's going to bring out a new book. So you want to expand that book, and the next is to go to the um, menu bar, which is directly above the book, and then click import from file window, click the import wizard. So if you want to do an import wizard to import single file, or you can also do a multiple import ASCII. So I'm going to choose the import wizard option because I'm importing just one file. And then it's going to give me this dialog box. Under the dialog box, I have a data source. So go into my computer and look for the file. I can add the file under the file name. I can add file. I can also remove this file by selecting it and selecting remove. So let's assume I'm adding the file. Okay, and then usually import it. So usually your import mode, you should always start on your book so you don't erase your previous data. So since most of my settings are how I want them to be, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish. My data from Excel is already imported here. Then I can go ahead and plot my graph, and then it gives me a graph, line and symbol. So the next way to import data to Excel is by just copying and pasting from your Excel into your workbook in Origin. So the first thing you want to do in this second, open a new workbook. So when you open a new workbook, make sure you have your Excel file already opened. This is my Excel file. I'm going to go ahead and copy the data I need in my Excel file. Just control copy, and then you paste that directly into the workbook which you already opened. So now I have my data. I'm just gonna go ahead and label my y, my x as 2 theta. So 2 theta and my y as intensity. Once I have that, I have to copy and paste. Just go to my plot, and then I have my line graph.